Welcome to Chipshow. Let's introduce you our C-Smart excellent design for outdoor LED sign. It has 4, 5, 6.67, 10 mm, 2 slim frames for options, 640 by 320 mm, 640 by 960 mm. Thickness is only 75 mm. For 640 by 320 mm LED panel, the frame weighs 1.3 kilograms. It's 5 kilograms in weight with one module. For 640 by 960 mm, the frame weighs 3.6 kilograms. It's 15 kilograms in weight with 3 modules. This die-cast aluminum frame is highly strong to hold the screen without extra steel structure. Its location pins help you to do assembling accurately and faster. Meanwhile, different size frames are compatible and can build up any size you want. The whole screen is made up of modules and frame only. The back box is good for heat dissipation. It's easy for the clients to change components without professional training. Each module can be taken out front and back side by 6 rotating locks. It uses fast plug-in and out 2-in-1 power and data cable that complies with CE and reaches to IP67 with good safety. All excellent details make this full-sealed IP67 module endure working on 24/7 in poor weather. Now let's see how easy to assemble the modules and frames. For wall mount installation, you can mount the frames first and secure the modules to the frame by using hexagon wrench to lock the modules to the frame. Less cable, less hassle, greatly reduce quality troubles that may cause by faulty soldering. It is widely used for outdoor advertising, showcase, hanging and wall mounting installation, like bricklaying without any training or experience. Also, it can be used for perimeter LED screen at sport field if adding brackets and payloads. This is our C-Smart. If you use it, you know how much budget you can save on labor and structure.